MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on the Rive platform. It is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers and try any strategy you have on their demo account before you go live. Either it's a paid indicator or free indicator, pay strategy or free strategy, or signal or forex signals. Make sure you try it out on demo account. And mind you, no strategy is 100% accurate, and that is why it is necessary that you must follow money management as you trade, so that you can last in this world of forex trading. Make sure you always trade on regulated forex brokers. Check them out if they are regulated in your areas before you waste your time, effort, and money. It is important that you check them out. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. You can check them out and practice on their demo account. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Click the notification button. Before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory or any other news aggregator so that you will know what is going on before you take or trade any pairs. If any pairs or currency indices as news, make sure you stay away from that particular pairs 30 minutes before or 30 minutes after the news. Better still, you can stay away from that particular pairs and trade other forex pairs, indices, or crypto. This particular strategy can be used on any pairs you want to trade as long as you have it on MT4. You can use it to trade forex pairs like a Euro USD, Euro Great Britain Pounds, Euro Australia Dollar, Great Britain Pounds Japanese Yen, and the rest. This can be used on indices like Nasdaq, US 30, US 100, and as many indices you have on your MT4. This can be used on the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Doji, Litecoin, Ethereum, and their peers like BTC USD, BTC Euro, ETH USD, ETC USDT. Just make sure you check them out. And this can be used on the stock like a Facebook stock, Google stocks, Amazon stock, CAT stocks, and the likes, as many as you have on your MT4. This can be used. Just make sure you check it out. Now let's move on to today's strategy. I have just two indicators on my chart. I have the CCI indicator, and the indicator on my main chart is called powerful indicator. So you can use this. The arrow does not disappear. Make sure the candle close, it won't disappear. It's a good strategy. It is simple, and you can keep your chart clean as I have it here. The red arrow give us a sell signal, and the white arrow give us a buy signal. The buy arrow is white and the sell arrow is red. Make sure you allow the candle to close, and we have this channel that do give us a buy signal. White color is buy and red is sell. And I have CCI indicator. White is for buy, but it must cross above +55 line, and red is for sell, and it must cross below -555 before you take your trade. And make sure this is done on regulated forex brokers. Now let us go over it again and how to use this indicator combined together. Anytime you see a sell arrow here and this channel change to red, then look out for CCI. If it turns to red and it is below minus 555, then you can place your trade and you find out that this deliver and give us a good signal. And here we have another buy signal here. CCI indicator confirm it. It was above the plus 555 line. And then we have a good rise, though we have a small pullback. This is to take your stop loss out before going in your direction. So it is important that you always give room to your trade before. Make sure you always give room to your trade, allow it to breathe, give it room to breathe. Your stop loss, adjust it a bit, and you follow the trend. And here we have a good run, and we have further confirmation here. For instance, if you take away your stop loss, then at this point where you have it again cross above, then you can enter your trade here and ride the trend. It is simple, and it can be used on any time frame and on any pairs, provided you are trading on regulated forex broker. Let's move back a bit or check other pairs. This is gold on the 1 minute time frame. Let's check it out on 15 minutes. As I said, this can be used on any time frame. Just make sure you follow it closely and follow the simple rule. Here is it on the 1 hour rather, and here is it on 4 hours. So it's a good signal that you can use. This will give you peace of mind. Either you are a scalper, you are intraday, you are a long time trader, you can use this particular indicator. It is simple, just 2 indicators and you are cool. Now let's check it out on another pairs. Let's check it out on the US Japanese yen, USD Japanese yen. Here is it on 4 hours. We have it here on 1 hour. This is it on 15 minutes. Here is it on 5 minutes, and here is it on 1 minute. This does not repaint, and I know people keep on asking, but you can test every indicator out to see yourself it repaint. But here you have 2 arrows here, almost at the same point. The first one was here. After a candle, we have another buy signal, and after then we have another sell signal. This did not disappear. That's why the fact the candle closed above the previous one here, but it did not disappear. So you can test it out, and this is how to use this particular indicator. Make sure you trade on regulated forex broker and check Forex Factory or other news aggregator to see if there's any news before you go live. And here is it on Euro Japanese yen. It is the same strategy and it works fine. It depends what pairs you want to trade. And here is it. It is fine. Here we have a good indicator here. It is free. The download link to all the indicator or to the 2 indicators I use is in the video description. Now let me show you the setting for this indicator. I have this powerful tool, this powerful trend indicator. These are the colors. You can change it to anything you want. And these are the values. We have the fast MA, the fast price. Just make sure you pause it. And this is the setting, and set it up accordingly. The second indicator is CCI indicator, and this is what I change it to. This is these are the colors, and these are the values. If you want to play with the value, with the CCI period, you can do that. But this is what I use. And the last indicator here I have here is just this symbol changer, which I might not include in the file. It is simple, and I believe you can get it anyway. And if you've downloaded part of my indicators before, you will have it. So there's no need of including this particular indicator. So this is the end of this video. Make sure you go over it again and trade on regulated forex brokers. It is important that you do that. Do not waste your resources trading on any brokers that is not regulated or registered in your area. We have scammer outside there. Please be guided. It is important that you trade on regulated forex broker. Very, very important. Do not waste your time practicing on a broker's platform that is not regulated. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. I have been using them and I do not have any issue trading with them, either depositing money or withdrawing my hard-earned money. Please trade on regulated forex broker. Trade on regulated forex broker. I say it again, trade on forex regulated brokers, and make sure you demonstrate any strategy before you go live with it, either paid indicators or paid forex signal or paid forex strategy. Make sure you try it out on your demo account, on your forex trading demo account before you go live. It is advisable you do that. If you are yet to give me a thumb up, what are you waiting for? Kindly click on that button right now and give me a thumb up. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.